Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious and healthy homemade chocolate hazelnut spread. This chocolate spread is rich, creamy, and it is just so good. It is the perfect alternative for Nutella if you're looking to start eating healthier. It's very easy and is made with only a handful of ingredients, so let's get started. In a food processor or a strong blender like this one, I'm going to blend some roasted hazelnuts for 1 to 2 minutes on high speed until it forms a chunky paste. I'm using hazelnuts that are already roasted and peeled. If yours aren't, then you can easily do that at home. The instructions will be available on my blog. The link is in the description box below. Once it looks like this, I'm going to add in some melted coconut oil. You could also use any other flavorless vegetable oil instead. Blend this again on high speed for another 1 to 2 minutes until it is nice and smooth. Next, I'm going to add in some cocoa powder, some powdered sugar, which you can replace with any natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, some salt. You don't want to skip the salt, it really helps balance the sweetness out, and some vanilla extract. This is optional, so if you don't have this, you can leave it out. We're going to blend this one more time on medium speed for 1 to 2 minutes until all the ingredients are fully incorporated and you have a super smooth and fine paste. As you can see, it looks incredible already, and if you wanted to, you could stop right here, put this in a jar and into the refrigerator, and you are ready to go. But I'm going to take this to a whole new level by adding in some melted dark chocolate. The written recipe with ingredient substitutions and tips and tricks will be available on thefoodflamingo.com. You can find a link to that in the description box below. Once you've added in the chocolate, blend this one more time just to get all the ingredients fully mixed, and that's it. You can now transfer this into an airtight jar and then store in the refrigerator. As you can see, it does look a bit runny, but when you chill this, it's going to set and become smooth and creamy, perfect for spreading onto some toast. I would choose this over Nutella anytime, you guys, and this is coming from someone who is obsessed with Nutella, and when I say obsessed, I don't mean it lightly. Not only is it healthy, it is so easy and quick to make. You can even double the recipe so that yours lasts even longer. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the Food Flamingo for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it, and comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and all of my recipes are available on thefoodflamingo.com.